On the 12th of August 2024, a serious incident took place in Leicester Square, one of the busiest areas in central London. An 11-year-old tourist visiting the city with her mother was seriously injured outside a toy shop. The case was later heard at the Old Bailey. A judge ruled that the offender should be detained indefinitely in a high-security mental hospital. This video explains what happened, how police responded, and why the court reached that decision. Leicester Square is a major tourist destination. It is surrounded by cinemas, restaurants, and retail stores. At the time of the incident, the area was busy with visitors and families. The victim was an Australian national, visiting London on holiday with her mother. She had just left a toy shop after buying gifts for family members. What should have been an ordinary moment quickly became a life-changing event. As the girl exited the shop, she was approached from behind by a man later identified as Alexandru Pinteru. Without warning, he restrained her and seriously injured her. In statements later read in court, the victim described being struck from behind and held tightly. She said she believed, in that moment, that she might not survive. Her mother, who witnessed the incident, told the court that it happened extremely quickly and with sustained force. The incident was captured on nearby CCTV cameras. The incident was stopped when a security guard working nearby heard screams and ran towards the scene. Without regard for his own safety, he intervened. He restrained the attacker and managed to disarm him. Other members of the public assisted and helped hold the man until police arrived. An off-duty nurse who was nearby provided immediate first aid to the injured child. The court later heard that without this rapid intervention, the outcome could have been far worse. Metropolitan police officers were called at approximately 11:34 in the morning. They arrived within 4 minutes. The attacker was arrested at the scene and taken into custody. Officers secured the area and began gathering evidence. This included CCTV footage, witness statements, and items recovered at the scene. The victim was taken to hospital for treatment. The girl sustained injuries to her face, neck, chest, shoulder, and wrist. She received hospital treatment and was discharged the following day. The court was told that she has physically recovered. However, the psychological impact will remain with her long into the future. Her mother described ongoing anxiety and a constant fear for her daughter's safety. The offender, Alexandru Pinteru, is a Romanian national with no fixed address at the time. During the investigation, it emerged that he had a long history of serious mental illness. Medical evidence showed he had previously been admitted to psychiatric hospitals in Romania on multiple occasions. At the time of the incident, he was experiencing untreated psychosis and had stopped taking prescribed medication. When questioned by police, he gave limited responses and later became distressed when shown CCTV footage. Pinteru was initially charged with attempted murder and possession of a bladed article. Following expert medical assessments, prosecutors decided not to pursue the attempted murder charge. The Crown Prosecution Service concluded that intent to kill could not be proven due to his mental state. Pinteru pleaded guilty to wounding with intent to cause grievous bodily harm and possession of a knife. The guilty pleas were entered at the Old Bailey in October 2024. At sentencing, Judge Richard Marks Casey described the incident as savage and brutal. However, the court focused on public protection and mental health treatment. The judge imposed a hospital order under Section 37 of the Mental Health Act. An additional Section 41 restriction was also applied. This means Pinteru will be detained in a high-security mental hospital. Any future release must be approved by the Justice Secretary. In practical terms, this allows for indefinite detention until authorities are satisfied that he no longer poses a risk. The court praised the members of the public who intervened. Their actions, it was said, may have saved the victim's life. This case highlights the devastating impact of sudden violence. It also shows the difficult balance courts face when serious crime intersects with severe mental illness.